How to kill moles with natural ingredients. Moles resemble voles, shrews and pocket gophers. You can tell a mole by its distinguishing features, according to F. Robert Henderson, Extension Specialist, Animal Damage Control at the Kansas State University. They have a hairless, pointy snout, tiny eyes, and no ears. Their front feet are wide, while their hind feet are slender with claws. Moles are beneficial to the environment because they eat worms, bugs and insects. They are pests to humans because they destroy plants and dig tunnels through the ground. If you have a mole problem in your yard, you can kill them by using natural ingredients. Things you will need: rubber gloves, safety glasses, bucket, Murphy's oil soap, castor oil, cayenne pepper, garden sprayer. Put on rubber gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes. Pour 1 cup of oil soap into the bucket. Add 1/8 cup of castor oil. Add 1/4 cup of cayenne pepper. Stir the mixture together. Add water to the natural ingredients, according to Muriel's garden. The ratio of water to the mixture is 2:1. Use the mixture in a garden sprayer to kill moles. Spray all the mole tunnels well to kill them. Tips: warnings. Be careful when you mix and use this natural mole killer, according to Muriel's garden. Don't get it on your skin or splash it in your eyes.